Good morning. My name is Falguni Rana from Chicago, Illinois, USA. I'm a community leader, a classical Indian dancer, helping the community by teaching dance to kids who are very talented, a writer for the newspapers, working on my first book, and a practice development manager as a full-time job. I'm of Indian origin and a proud American citizen. I have lived in America more than I've lived in India. It's tomorrow, and this election will decide our country's future. We have some powerful hours ahead of us. Go Trump. You have to vote for President Trump like I did in early voting. I'm very excited because I believe President Trump will win the election. The polls have a different picture altogether, and it's obvious that anyone can get nervous because the world has changed tremendously for the past 3 years and has been taken over by radicals and terrorists. So please vote for President Trump. This year's election is the most important in our lifetime. It's a tired cliche, one parroted by presidents and politicians. But cliches become cliches for a reason. They tend to be true. This year, the decisions voters will make tomorrow, November 3rd, 2020, Tuesday, will reverberate for a generation to come through all three branches of American government and across the world. Our President Trump will be a winner again because all he did in his 4 years in the office as a president is MAGA, Make America Great Again. President Trump has governed in his first term as a fierce culture warrior, intent on reshaping American government and refocusing its foreign policy in an unprecedented manner. God bless President Trump. Trump's major achievement in 2019 alone is far beyond imagination, despite the despicable opposition who put him down at all times and the media not favoring him at all. He's a true warrior and unafraid, and he has stood still against tide. These are his achievements and accomplishments. Point number 1. He has continued to appoint conservative judges at a record pace. Point number 2, he ordered the operation that killed Islamic State leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi. Point number 3, he delivered the biggest blow to Planned Parenthood in 3 decades. Point number 4, his tariff threats forced Mexico to crack down on illegal immigration. Point number 5, his maximum pressure campaign is crippling Iran. Point number 6, his withdrawal from Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces INF treaty is delivering China and North Korea a strategic setback. Point number 7, he stood with the people of Hong Kong and he warned China not to use violence to suppress pro-democracy protests and signed the Hong Kong Human Rights and Democracy Act. Hong Kong people marched with American flags and sang our national anthem in gratitude. Point number 8, he has got NATO allies to cough up more money for our collective security. Point number 9, he implemented tighter work requirements for food stamps. He believes work is a blessing, not a punishment. Point number 10, he continued to deliver for the forgotten Americans. Unemployment is at a record low. 57% of Americans say they're better off financially since Trump took office. And the wall is almost being finished. He delivered what he said. 4 more years of President Trump, 2020 to 2024. We want you as our president. Please vote for President Trump. My name is Falguni Rana, short form Fal Rana, as I'm an American citizen of Indian origin. Go Trump. Jai Hind and God bless America.